What's going on, YouTube? Top of the morning to you guys, or whatever time you're watching this at. We're back on the water. We're down here under a bridge because the snapper fishing was pretty decent out here yesterday. So I figured we'd start our morning out here. This is our last day in the Keys. And after this, we'll probably hit up a couple bridges. So got my homies, Sean rolling up, Nate's over there rigging up. We got live shrimp. We also got some frozen ballyhoo. So we're gonna see if we can get on some snapper here early. Looking pretty decent so far. Not a lot of people under here. Like yesterday it was a little packed, but we ended up managing to pull out a couple of good snapper in a short amount of time. So a bit.
I have a huge shrimp on it.
There we go. Oh no, f you. Oh, he's out. Awesome. He's out. Oh dude, that feels like a okay fish right there. Get up here. Let's fucking go. First manger of the day. Yeah, he's definitely keeping. Pretty good fish right there. Right side of the piling. Thanks, dude. Oh. Attached to your hip. First mangrove of the morning. And he's gonna be about 13, I'm thinking. 14 and a half, dude, almost 15. I'll take that all day. You mind if I pop him in your cooler for a minute, Sean? Or it looked like a fish. Is it pulling drag or?
Hope we can feed us all tonight.
So Nate's up with something nice. Yeah, just watch that piling. Oh man. Yeah, that piling had you, bro. Oh, dude, that thing fucking just ripped it, dude. Come back, dude, come back. Damn, dude. That was such a good hit. Oh, shit, he came off. Felt like I was bass fishing. I didn't know she had that G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip. Something big as shit swam by right here. If this was Tampa, I'd say it was a snook, but it might have been like a tarp. Nice, bro. Oh, shit, there we go. Oh, dude, he fucking rocked me, bro. He's out, he's out, he's out. A grunty grunt. Thought for sure that was gonna be a nice snapper, but he had me around a rock or something. So it's a grunt. Was it a swimming iguana? Oh, dude, yeah, what the fuck? Catch him, Sean. You want, we can head north in a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Oh, dude, that was a good fucking fish right there, bro. Okay, I'm done here. Broke off again. All right, guys, we have changed spots. So we are on a different bridge. And so we're gonna try it around here. Water's a little bit deeper here. Got shrimp, got ballyhoo. We already have a couple keeper snapper in the cooler from the under the bridge spot, but the snags are so horrendous over there. Got me rubbing on that piling. That looks like it'll keep. Nate, get on this side.
Did you catch them close to the piling?
Yeah, really close to the piling. Like drop on the right side of that chum bag.
I was like trying not to snag. How big is it?
11. He goes. Yeah, you'll have to get bit there, Nate. There's no way you won't get bit, dude. Snapper snack.
Get one on the other side, huh?
Yeah, I'm getting them right here behind the piling too. They are just everywhere. Oh, look at that. First yellowtail of the day. Little yellowtail. Oh, we're doubled up, Nate. We're doubled up. Nate's on with something too. Oh, another 11, dude. He doesn't feel that big, bro. I'm so used to holding redfish, I think. Yeah, bro, I got excited. I thought we were doubled up, bro. That would have been our first double up. That is a good fish right there, guys. Oh yeah. Dude, we might need to get the drop net ready for this one, dude. You go easier on him. Yeah, let's make sure there's no knots in it. Sean, we're up with a good one, bro. Yep.
Can I go and do the drop net? Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's a mutton, dude. It's a fucking mutton. Yeah, drop him. Drop it down. And you're just gonna let it drift right to him.
Yeah, I got it.
Let it drift right to him.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. I got it.
Let it go. Let's go! That will be close.
Where'd you hit?
Straight out. Straight out, guys. Yeah, live shrimp.
Not a rig?
Yeah, no, a fish finder rig. So that is the first mutton we've seen all day. And this was on the shrimp. Use 2/0 circle hook. And check him out. Get the measure on him, see if he makes 18. And if he does, he's gonna be coming home. All right. Oh, my fingers are in his gills there. Mangrove. Oh, 17.
17.
17.
Oh,
man.
Close.
Super close. 18. Yep. Oh, man. Yeah, dude. Gorgeous fish. We get him back here right away just because he is lively. So there we go. Keeper, or not keeper mutton. See you later, buddy. Damn, bro. Still pumped though, bro. Some a little bit different than the typical run-of-the-mill snapper. So I was just on a fish finder rig, 30 pound leader, 2/0 circle hook, and a 1/2 ounce sinker, not even a heavy sinker.
Good job, Chris.
Yeah, thanks, dude. Dude, he felt just like a redfish, bro. Like how they like kind of like pull, you just feel it like just going, like he just picked it up and swam off with it pretty much. All right, Sean got it. Hey, Sean, what kind of fish is that? Sean caught a dick fish over there. You're about to find out why they call them that. Hey, let me hook you up, bro. I'm gonna hook you up real quick. They're about to swarm this shit, bro. Oh, look at that parrotfish. You see that fucking parrotfish down there? Nice. That's success, my boy. Good job, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. Nice fish. I'm gonna get a close up to it too. Just kidding. Yeah, dude. Hold it closer to your face. Yeah, there you go. Good shit, bro. All right, Dave got his first. Might be a yellowtail. I think it's gonna be a little yellow. Or no, you're right. It's a grunt. Or is that a pinfish?
You know, it is a pinfish. Yeah, pinfish. Do I use those bait?
Oh, fuck yeah. With a good one. See what we get. It's a snapper. That's a good snapper, dude. Nice, dude. He's bigger than that, dude. He's probably like 11 and a half, 12. There's bait right there, bro.
Woo! You got the bait bucket.
I'll take him. Fuck it.
Somebody's taking a picture. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, no, I'll just take him. Okay.
You got to play that like fork. Like all down let me bust up my cigarillo. Stogie. Where did I put it?
You got something over there?
What is it?
That's a pork fish.
Pork?
Yeah, pork fish. Can't take those home and eat them.
No?
Yeah, no. The aquarium. Yeah, that's pork fish.
Oh. Damn, I wouldn't know which kind of fish that was.
Dude, there's so many fucking snapper around this thing. I want to catch one of those blue parrotfish, dude. Those things are crazy, dude. Not even, dude. You don't even have a seaweed on there. You got nothing, bro. I didn't see anything, dude. Like, really short. Like, really short. A little southern puffer fish. Let's go, dude.
Puffer. Dude, the NC got an 11.5 flipper, dude. Close to 11. We'll just say 11. Is he off the hook?
Good job, dude. I can crush it.
Good job, Nate. Thank you, thank you.
That's how many snaps for you now?
Number 3.
Number 3. You're almost there, bro. Almost at your limit, bro. Oh, drone action, bro. Man gets decapitated on Channel 5 bridge by a drone. That thing's fast as shit, dude. Was it?
Shark. Big shark. Yeah?
Yeah, was he chasing something? I've got a half a pinfish on that pole too, to your right.
Yeah. He's big.
Is that a shark or a cove?
Shark.
Hey Nate, go drone over him over there.
Yeah, dude.
Just don't just don't hit the power line. Dude, he went right for that piling too. He should keep. Another snapper there. Beautiful blue under his eye. So I got him on the shrimp. We'll measure him up, see if he can go. Yeah, 11. In here I got a first aid kit. There's Neosporin. There's waterproof tape too. After you put the Band-Aid on, you'll want to wrap it with the waterproof tape, or else it'll just come off. Yeah, you're dead, dude. You're fucked, bro. We're gonna have to throw you over, dude. You're a liability to the rest of the crew, bro. Yeah. Yeah, take one for the team, bro.
Ow!
Bet that feels nice. Your Band-Aid.
And then you have tape.
Yeah.
Dude, right.
I think he's short, dude. We got Nate up with the little snap. He got the baby snap. He's got the baby snap, baby snap, baby snap. What the?
No,
You brained him, dude.
Dude, look, I got.
You got a little around. Oh, there we go. So we're up again with another fish. It's a snapper. He's probably not big enough. I think this guy's gonna be too small, but we'll still measure him out. No cigar. There you go. All right, Dave's up with a good one, looks like.
That was a good first like 5.
He might keep.
But I don't know if
He might keep. You guys want to call it in a little bit or keep fishing?
So I got a total of 4 keepers. I'm happy with that.
All right, guys, this day is coming to a close. So this is our last full day here on the island. We're gonna be leaving tomorrow. We check out in the morning and we're just gonna head straight home. We were beat, did a lot of walking the last few days. Limited out on snapper on 2 of the days, which is really cool. Got the 17-inch mutton snapper, which was a highlight of my day. Unfortunately, they got to be 18 to keep, so we put them back. So we're gonna go ahead and close it out here. And so just like that, we're wrapping up our last day on the Florida Keys. Most of us got our limit of snapper both back-to-back days, so we all had a really good time. I mean, beautiful place. Water was gorgeous. Our stay was great over in Hawks Cay. There was only one thing that was left for us to do to complete this trip, and that was get a key lime pie. Specifically, key lime pie on a stick. It is the best thing. I was ranting and raving to my buddies pretty much before we even got down there. I was talking this thing up. We actually stopped by a place where I've had them in the past and they actually didn't have them anymore, so I was super bummed. Shout out to Sean because he did end up finding them at a place called Blonde Giraffe. Giant sign outside says Key Lime Pie Factory. You can't miss it. It's in Tavernier. Also, they have all kinds of sauces, all kinds of key lime pie, cookies, and all kinds of jazz. Honestly, the sauces were kind of mid, a little bit overpriced if you ask me, but the key lime pie, absolutely worth it. Also had an iced coffee, which was real good. Not to mention the courtyard and just the grounds were beautiful in the back, just such a vibe. All right, bro. So overall synopsis of the key lime pie on a stick.
I must say, I doubted you. But then the moment I bit into it, yes.
How many fire emojis, bro? 5.
I'll say
Full five fire emojis. And I got a couple sauces too. So definitely worth checking out. Yeah, Tavernier, Blonde Giraffe, Key Lime Pie Factory. Come visit. I just want to wrap up this video by saying that the Florida Keys is such a magical place, and I'm blessed to be able to just come down, drive a few hours, and be in what almost seems like a different country. I do want to make more content like this in the future, but I definitely need your support to do that. If you would, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about any videos that drop in the future, hit that notification bell. But with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will see you guys on the water next time. Peace.